Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to check your Windows version. So let's have a look now. The fastest way to check your Windows version is by opening Run dialog box. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. Type winver and press enter. A pop-up window will appear showing your Windows version and build number. Another way to check your Windows version is by using Settings. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. From here, go to System. Now scroll down and click on About. Under Windows Specifications, you will find details like edition, such as Windows 10, Windows 11, and version number. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.